Welcome friends. So today in this video we will discuss the last or we can say or I can say that the last video of the logarithm. In this video we will see all the JEE advanced question asked in the recent past. JEE advanced question on logarithm has been asked earlier also, but their level was not up to that extent. So I just picked up JEE advanced question of recent past 2011, 2012, 2013. 2018 and the recently in the last year 2020. So these are the questions directly came on the log. I told repeatedly in the earlier series of the videos that logarithm is something which is essential for mathematics. If not necessarily directly a log question, then there will be some way or other log and trigonometry is involved always. So make sure that you are very much perfect on logarithm, and logarithm is something which is also useful for physics as well as chemistry. So you can't live without log. Fine. So this is supposed to be the last video of this series. Then we will start with some new topic. Fine. So let us start with the first question. This SCQ means single choice question. Multiple choice question means more than one answer. INT means integer based. So these are all JEE advanced question. And surprisingly that it's a directly hardcore log question. It won't happen because log is not at all a topic to be discussed in JEE advanced syllabus. Or say JEE main syllabus, and if you may be knowing, then most of the important books also ignore log, because the reason is not that log is not so important. The reason is by default they think that log is supposed to be the part of curriculum till 10th standard and the student should know about logarithm. Fine. So unfortunately, since from last so many years of experience, I know that till 10th standard there is no logarithm. But it's the part and parcel, you need to understand it. So let's start the first question. X0, Y0 is the solution of the following equation. The equation is this and this. They are asking for X0, not X0, they are not asking for Y. These are the options. So let us first write down this relation they are given. So I need to add this space a little bit for one or two questions. So this 2 power x, sorry, 2x power ln2 is equal to 3y power ln3. Fine, that is the first relation, and second relation we will write it down later. So let me take down the log of both sides. So it will give me, we know that n will come ahead, so it will be ln2 2x, and obviously it will be log is equal to ln3 ln3y. And we know that inside this bracket I can use the rule log mn. So log mn is log m plus log n. So I can write it down like ln2, and then this is something like this. So it is ln2 plus ln x is equal to ln3 as it is, and this is ln3 plus ln y. That is something I can write down. Their individual multiplication will give me ln2 into ln2, and here ln3 into ln3. So bringing the constant term together, because the other term is x and y. So let me just write down the constant term together. So I can write it down like this, that ln3 whole square, this ln3 into ln3 whole square, and this ln2 whole square shifted. So minus ln2 whole square. So this has gone to this side. So other side will be simply ln2 into ln x, ln2 into ln x, and ln3 into ln y shifted to the other side, minus ln3 into ln y. Now question asks is x0, so that means I can eliminate y. So in order to eliminate y, I may require the second relation. So from here I will get the value of ln y, put that value of ln y in the equation of ln x, so that we can eliminate it. So let me put down this to be equation 1. Believe me, this is not at all a JEE advanced level question. It's just few formula if you know regarding logarithm, which is very basic of 11th standard. Then 8th standard student can also solve this question. 8th standard question, 8th standard student. It may take 2-3 minutes, but it is very simple. Fine. So I can directly apply taking log of both sides to this. So it is ln x ln3 is equal to ln y ln2. Now from this ln y value is ln x into ln3 upon ln2. Insert this here, replace this ln y. Fine. So this relation will give me ln3 square minus ln 2 square is equal to ln 2 ln x minus ln 3, and ln y is this, so that is ln x into ln 3 upon ln 2 upon ln 2. That is something I got. Now as I told that it's just a simplification after that. Fine. So here I have divided by ln 2 on the right hand side. Let me take same divided by ln 2 here. This is first term, this is second term. So in order to make it simple, let me divide by ln 2 here. So once I divide by ln 2 here, so it will be ln 2 square. Because multiply and divide by ln 2. Now check out this ln x. So I can take ln x common. I am just writing the right hand side. I am taking ln x common. So it will be ln 2 whole square minus the ln 3 into ln 3 minus ln 3 whole square, and make sure divided by ln 2 is that 2 can be pulled out. That 2 can be pulled out. Now check out this right hand side, ln 2 whole square minus ln 2 whole square, whereas the left hand side is ln 3 whole square minus ln 2 whole square. So look at this and this. So can I say that I can cancel this 2 and write down at other place minus 1? Because they are just reverse inside, they can be cancelled. So suppose I have written minus 1 to this side and then we cross this ln 2 to this. So it will be simply ln 2 and cross with minus 1, so it is minus ln 2. And that side it is ln x. And I hope this is fine, ln x only. That x is equal to half, isn't it? Because this minus goes here, so it is 2 power minus 1, so it will be 1 by 2, cancelling ln from both sides, that means taking antilog of both sides. So x is equal to half. So I hope that when you are looking at the steps of this question, you will observe that it is a very simple steps. There is no much confusion, and that's a JEE advanced question. Not much trick is required, taking log of both sides and you got the answer. It is that simple. So you can imagine it's a question of JEE advanced. So in JEE Advanced, they have asked the log based question. First of all, it's a surprise. Second surprise is it is very easy question. 3 marker, so it's a hand pick mark for JEE Advanced kind of exam. Fine. Let us jump to the next question. The value of this. This is again an easy question. This is something you guys have done in quadratic equation, infinite series. So what they are saying? They are saying that the value of this, so it's the integer based question, 6 plus this, and this is infinite series dot. So just observe this closely. While observing closely, I can say that if I just observe this closely, I can say that this is a little complicated, under root of this. So this 4 minus 1 and this complete. Can I just put it like, suppose I am putting this complete as x. So let us take this to be y. Let us take this to be y. So what will happen is complete as y. Now check out this portion. Can I say further 4 minus 1 upon 3 root 2 is just like this and continuation. Can I say this second under root is again just like a y? So can I write it down? X is equal to, check out, 6 plus log 3 by 2, that is base. And this is what? 1 upon 3 root 2. And check out this. This is basically root this complete, because I just take this as y, simple y. And I am not interested to solve this first. Let me just crack y first. So can I say this y is equal to, this complete y is equal to 4 minus 1 upon 3 root 2, 4 minus 1 upon 3 root 10. Can I say this complete again as y? This complete again as y. Fine. So it will be just like that. Just look at this again. So in spite of under root, you can consider this to be y. So under root of y, that is your choice. Both way you can get your answer. So this is something I can say that 1 upon 3 root 2, and then into what we can say 1 upon 3 root 2, and then this complete root y. And just take this to be your y. So y is equal to 4 minus 1 upon 3 root 2 and root y. This again is y. So we can just write it like that. Fine. So let us try to solve this. You can do either way. So choice is here. So it is y minus 4 and then cross this 3 root 2. So it will be into 3 root 2 will be minus root y. minus root y, and squaring both sides will give me y square minus 8y plus 16 times 3 root 2 square is 9 to the 18 is equal to y. Fine. So let us try this now. So this is 18 y square minus 18 8s are 144y minus 144y, and this y shifted, so minus 145y because one more y is attached to it, plus 16 into 18 is 288 plus 288 is equal to 0. Fine. So you can solve this. Seems to be very complicated, or if you want to simplify this, check out how we can simplify this, but this is supposed to be the case you have to solve. Or otherwise, that is something the way I have told you, or otherwise if we took this complete root along with this under root sin as y, it may be little easier. So choice is yours. That's why I told choice is yours. It is up to you how you are making it easier. Fine. So now it is a little complicated for us to get the answer. If you got it is fine. If you don't, then you can just follow some other way. Or otherwise, what I can do, I consider this 4y is equal to 4 minus 1 upon 3 root 2. 4 minus 1 upon 3 root 2. So can we do something else here? Means y minus 4 and then 1 upon 3 root 2 is kept there, and can we just work it out accordingly? We can just think of that. Otherwise, one more aspect is breaking this term to this side and then trying to correlate. So the choice is yours. The choice is yours. So in this particular question, I am just leaving it for you guys. If you are reaching here, then work on this, or the other two ways which I told you can follow that also. You will get your answer. Finally, when you are working out, with this, you are going to get 6 plus log to the base 3 by 2. This base 3 by 2 should be here. And the value of this complete, you are going to get 4 by 9. The answer for that is 4 by 9. Fine. So that is your body and this is your base. So this 6 plus log to the base 3 by 2. I can write it down as 3 by 2 to the power minus 2. Because 2 by 3 whole square taking reciprocal 3 by 2 power minus 2. And I know that I can bring this minus 2 here. So it will be 6 plus minus 2. And this is log 3 by 2 to the base 3 by 2 is 1, we know. So it is into 1, so 6 minus 2 is 4. So the answer for this question is 4. I have just leaving this part to be done by you. I have given 2 more ways. You can try with those ways. You will definitely get your answer. Consider it to be a quadratic equation practice question. Fine. So a question which seems to be a little tougher can be easily worked out by substitution. So in logarithm, in trigonometry, substitution is always a very important tool. If you manage to substitute properly, you will definitely get your answer quickly. Now, the next question is multiple choice options. Means there will be more than one answer for this question. So 3 power x is equal to 4 power x minus 1. Let me check out the options because 4 options, so more than one answer. So base 3, base 2, base 4 and again base 2. So we'll check out different bases. So this is the given relation, take the base. So taking log of both sides, let me take down first, let us say 4 as base. So it will be what? For first case I am just solving it, then after that we will just get it very easily. It is log 4 to the power x minus 1 to the base 4. Fine, taking base 4. So now this x can be pulled ahead, so it is log 3 to the base 4, and this x minus 1 pulled ahead, so x minus 1 and log 4 to the base 4 is 1. So that is something you are getting. Fine, bringing x term together, so this is minus 1, so let me give it positive 1. So this side, so that side will be x minus x log 3 to the base 4, or taking x common, 1 minus log 3 to the base 4 is equal to 1. Fine. Check out this option. Option C. 1 upon 1 minus log 3 to the base 4. Isn't it a simple question? So x value is this. 1 of the x value. But I can say that this multiple choice options or answer question on JEE Advanced is comparatively taking more time. It consumes more time because you got one answer. Now you need to check out with others. You need to check out with others. Fine. So I will what my strategy for solving JEE Advanced question. I will avoid this in the beginning. I will use it in the end. Whatsoever is the time available with me, I will use such kind of question in the end because I need to check out with all the options. Fine. So this option is correct. Now I will use this only because 4 can be converted, base 4 can be converted into 2, and we will check out whether this answer or this answer is matching or not. Fine. So I am using this only. So x is equal to, I am writing it here, 1 upon 1 minus log 3 to the base 4 can be written as 2 power 2. 1 upon 1 minus this 2 can move out as this. How? We know this is basic property of log. This 2 power 2, this 2 can pulled out as 1 by 2. Fine. Take the LCM, cross it, so 2, this 2 goes up upon 2 minus log 3 to the base 2. I guess 2 upon 2 minus log 3 to the base 2 is something we are getting. That was 1 minus log 3 to the base 4. So it is 2 upon 2 minus log 3 to the base 2 we are getting. Whereas check out this option and this option. Are we getting any of this? Right now I am not getting either this or this. But something like this is there. Log 3 to the base 2. So here log 3 to the base 2. But they are asking that there should be log 3 to the base 2 multiplied in the numerator. So if I multiply by log 3 to the base 2 in the numerator, this will become log 3 to the base 2 square, which is not available here. But this 2 can move here. Again the wrong step, because this 2 will move here, it become 9. It won't be log 3 to the base 2 whole square. So not at all this is possible. So this option is not possible. Check out for this. Can we do some arrangement? Yes. So this relation which I got, if I multiply by log 2 to the base 3, log 2 to the base 3, let me just change the page. So if I multiply by log 2 to the base 3, here also 2 into log 2 to the base 3 and into log 2 to the base 3. So log 2 to the base 2, log 2 to the base 3 get cancelled, so it will be 1. So 2 log 2 to the base 3 divided by 2 log 2 to the base 3 minus this get cancelled means 1. So that is your option A. So option A is also satisfying. Your option A is also satisfying. Fine. So now this is not possible. This 2 are getting. Let us check for the third one. Second one. So in the second one, they have 2 as base, and we already got this. I hope that this and this is matchable. How? Let us check. So let me pick up this only. So what I can do? This 4 can be written as 2 square and this is half. And when I will cross, so 2 minus log 3 to the base 2 and 2 shifted up. So we already done this step. So that means 1, 2, 3 are the answers. Fine, time consuming. It's time consuming. That's why I told that a strategy for JEE Advanced, that just solve this multiple answer options question in the end. Fine, this is also for your physics and chemistry. Fine, because it's a little time consuming. Now this is 2018. So it's a 2018 question, not far away. It's recent question, 2018. What they are saying, the value of this. Okay, so a little complicated work. And they are asking us to find the value of this. So integer based question. So now I have one rule here. The rule is, look at here. First rule is a power mn is a power m into n. And here log a to the base b can be written as 1 upon log b to the base a. Fine. So I will use that rule, and again here this root 7 can be written as 7 power half. And this 4 we are just seeing that can be written as 2 square, and that 2 can be pulled out here like this. And this 2 and this 2, check out, this is 7 power half and this is This is half of that in the denominator. So this 2, actually this is supposed to be, this half is supposed to be 1 upon 1 by 2. So that 1 upon 1 by 2, the 2 moves up and this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. But that is something the story you need to build up. Now this is 7 and power this, I have given this rule. So can I say 1 upon log 7 to the base 2? Just check out this. Can I say 1 upon log 7 to the base 2 is log 2 to the base 7? And here it is 7 already. And we have another rule that a power log b to the base a. Both the bases are same, then your answer is just the body b. So again here same. So can I say the answer for this part is 2? It's an oral question. So just 6 to 7 rules of logarithm you understood, you got your answer. So you got this part answer to be 2. Fine. Now proceeding here, again log power, this rule, a power m is a power mn. So this is 2 into, this is 2 into. Fine. Now the base here is log 9 to the base 2. Here in the denominator log 9 to the base 2. So can I go with this rule? Check out this and this. Check out this and this. So can I say this log to the base 2 to be b? To be b, and this is base 2, this is a. So it can be written like this. So check out, I'm just starting it here. Log 9 to the base 2 whole square, and this can be written as log multiplication, and this body become base log 9 to the base 2, and this is 2. Now this 2 we know that can shift here. So 2 square, so it become 4. It become 4. And check out this base. So base same. So your answer is body. So base same. So your answer is body, and body is 4. Body is 4. So 4, and the answer for this question is 2. 8. Actually, this is supposed to be oral question. This is supposed to be oral question. And see, level of JEE Advanced has also decreased. It's the recent past. It has been asked in the recent past. The answer is very simple. The answer is very simple. The answer is H, integer type question. Oh, this is fine. And not so tough question at all. It's the basic rule of logarithm, which I hope that wherever you have taken your coaching in 11th standard, the logarithm topic has been taught you very well, because it's one of the simplest topic. So I hope that you got this kind of identities and the role of logarithm easily. Yeah, this is supposed to be a good question. I will give definitely rank to this question that it is a mature advanced question, because it requires something a little different approach. So looking at this, let's small m with the minimum possible value of this. y1, y2, y3 are real numbers. y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 9. Lots of things are given. Then let capital M be the maximum possible value of this, where x1, x2, x3 are positive real numbers. They are positive, obviously there is a log, for which this is again another condition given, then the value of this. So actually this is very simple question they have asked. Just we want to get the value of small m and capital M, that's it. So our objective is to get the value of small m and capital M. Okay. So whenever you look at this. So addition of 3 terms in the body of log, addition of 3 terms. So can I recollect one particular relation that arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometry? Very handy inequality. Inequality will transform your JEE Mains and JEE Advanced question if you start using the concept of inequality. It can really make your life easier. So I know, and why I come to the conclusion, because I saw this thing. Second thing, why? Because I know that in the GM, so what is the AM? There is 3 power, so this is considered to be my case. So 3 power y1 plus 3 power y2 plus 3 power y3 upon 3. That is where arithmetic mean should be greater than equal to what is geometric mean? Product. And taking cube root, because there are 3 terms, so taking cube root of this. That's it. Why I have done this? Because I immediately got, there is a rule, a power n into a power n into a power p is a power m plus n plus p and power 1 by 3. isn't it? And what is this? This 3 can be shifted that side. So 3 into. Fine. So why I am doing this? Because ultimately check out the log portion, the round which I have done. It's just this only. Check out this. So this portion 3 shifted greater than equal to this is 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 9. So 9 by 3. 9 into 1 by 3. 9 into 1 by 3 is 2. So 3 into 3 square. So that is 27. That is 27. So can I say this? Now complete this. Is log 3 to the base, check out 27. Because that will give me the minimum value. That will give me the minimum value because suppose if I take log of both sides, so taking basically log of both sides to this is there, is greater than equal to, this is log 27 to the base 3. Taking log of both sides of base 3. So 27 is 3 power 3. So that 3 comes ahead. 3 comes ahead. And one more point. Just check out. What is this? Just check out. This 3 has been shifted to that side. So it's a 3, 9. So that 9 will cancel with this. So it is 9 by 3 is 3. Sorry, it's 3. It's 9. y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 9. So 9 into 1 by 3 is 3. And this is 3 into 3 power 3 is basically 3 power 4. 3 power 4. And then 4 ahead. So like this. So it's 4, not 3. Fine. So can I say the value of this is 4 because this is 1. So minimum value will be 4 because this value will be greater than equal to 4. So minimum value will be 4. So can I conclude that small m is having value to be 4 because m is minimum possible value. Fine. So by using AMGM inequality. AMGM inequality. So first part is done. Now second part is for capital M. So what's the condition they have given? Or do we require again AMGM inequality? Yes. So let us apply AMGM inequality here. So what will happen? I can say log x1 to the base 3 plus log x2 to the base 3 plus log x3 to the base 3 upon 3 is greater than equal to log x1 to the base 3 into log x2 to the base 3 into log x3 to the base 3, isn't it? To the power 1 by 3. Fine, something like this. Now can we have AMGM inequality here? Because log x1 to the maximum possible value of this they are saying. So this is directly here. So 3 will be transferred to that side. 3 will be crossed to that side. So when I will transfer 3 to this side, so it will be 3 here. Fine. Now this value, do we have any idea about this? Question in the information they have given x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 9. So can I just apply over here? Can I just apply over here that particular value? So it is something like log m into log n into log p. Do we have any rule for that? Log m into log n into log p. Do we have a rule for that? If you don't have, then how can we jump to AMGM inequality? We can't have a rule like that. So what could be the step we have to do? What could be the step we have to do? Because ultimately we want this, the value, the maximum value of this. The maximum value of this. So what could be the answer for this? What could be the answer for this? Can I say, look at here, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 9. Fine. So what we can do here? What we can do here? If this is the information known to me, what I can do here? So that it can incorporate it with this. It can incorporate it with this. Fine. That is something you need to figure out. Because again, it's a basic logarithmic rule. If you got that, then it's well and good. So basically, when you go for that, so you will get what? It is just check out this. What you can do here? Log m into log n into log say p. Fine. Will it matches with this? Well, it matches with this AM, and this is GL. Fine. So this to be solved, and this information is known to you. Fine. If you just work it out, you will come to know that the value of this, which is capital M, will come, maximum value will come what? That is something you need to figure out. Fine. So the answer for this is coming to be, look at this. This is coming to be 27, this box. Okay, when you solve that, and to the power 1 by 3. Fine. To the power 1 by 3, or in fact it's 9. They are given 9, sorry. So it's 9. 9 to the power 1 by 3, and this is again here 3 outside. Fine. So you can just figure out what would be your answer for that. So when you solve this, ultimately you will get the value of capital M. You will get the value of capital M to be equal to 3. Because maximum value. Again you will get inequality. So when you solve that, you will get it to be what we can say capital value capital M is equal to 3. Fine. You just solve this, you will get your answer 3. Fine. Correlation of this two. Now small m is 4, capital M is 3. Now we have to solve this. So let us take out log to the base 2 4 cube plus log, this is 3 square and this is 3. Fine. So can I write it like this, log 2 to the power 6, because that 2 and this 2 should be compensated and 6 moves ahead. So log 2 to the base 2 is 1, and then this 2 moves ahead. So 6 plus 2, because log 2 to the base 3 is again 1. So your answer is 8. It's an integer based question asked last year 2020. So it is 8. Fine. Yeah, I think so that you guys may just talk over here. Think over it. I am just leaving it for you guys because something should be done by you also. It's not that tough. It may take a little trick over here, which you can apply and you will get your answer. Fine. Hope this is fine. And in 2021, this year JEE Advanced, there are 2 questions related with function and log. Not directly log, so that's why I have not taken here. But log is always a part and parcel of JEE Advanced. JEE means of course as well as JEE Advanced. So hope this is fine. So this is last video on the topic logarithm. In the earlier 4 videos we have discussed the JEE mains question. I have not taken the basic of log separate videos because they are very simple. There are some rules. So while taking the JEE mains pyqs, I have discussed all those rules and I got a very good feedback. So I hope that the student liked those video. Now this is considered to be the final video on logarithm. Fine, thank you.